Good morning, students. You have FA1 exams from 19 onwards. So, we will revise some topics what we have learnt these many days. Okay. Look here, children. FA1 revision. First, we learnt basic. Yes, basics. Okay. Digits. There are 10 digits in maths, 0 to 9. Okay. By using the digits, we will write numbers. Yes. Look here. You have to write these in your fair notes and learn this one. You will get questions from this. Okay. Smallest 2-digit number is 2-digit number starts from 10. So, smallest 2-digit number is 10. 2-digit numbers ends at 99. So, greatest 2-digit number is 99. Smallest 3-digit number is, okay, smallest 3-digit number. 3-digit number starts from 100 and ends at 999. So, greatest 3-digit number is 999. Smallest 4-digit number is 4-digit number starts from 1000 and ends at 9999. So, greatest 4-digit number is 9999. Write these in your fair notes and learn. Okay. Look here, children. Already you have learnt how to write number name, expanded form, and place value, face value. Now I will explain once again. Listen carefully. For example, I am taking one number 3456. Look here, 3456. How to write number name? Okay. This is ones, tens, hundreds, thousands. We will start number name from thousands place. So, what is the digit in thousands place? 3. So, 3400. When we are writing tens and ones, we have to write togetherly. So, 5, 6, it will be 56. 3456. Now, number name completed. Okay. Look here. What is the place value of 6? 6 is in which place? Ones place. So, place value of 6 is 6 only. What is the place value of 5? 5 is in which place? Tens place. So, what is the place value of 5? 5 tens are 50. What is the place value of 4? 4 is in hundreds place. So, place value of 4 is 400. What is the place value of 3? 3 is in thousands place. So, 3000. Now, expanded form. By using place values, we will write expanded form. You will get the question like this. The place value of 4 in 3456. Which place it is? 4 is in which place? Hundreds place. So, 4 into 100. 400 is the place value of 4. Okay. Look here. First, we will write expanded form. We will write expanded form from thousands place. How many thousands are here? 3. 3 thousands. So, 3000 plus how many hundreds are here? 4. 400 plus how many tens are here? 5. So, 50 plus 6 ones are 6. 3000 plus 400 plus 50 plus 6. This is the expanded form. These are the place values of that number, particular number. Okay. Now, face value. Place value means we will take place. Okay. Face value means number itself. For example, the face value of 4 in 3456 means face value means we will get 4 only. Same number. Face value of 3 is 3 only. Face value of 5 is 5 only. Face value of 6 is 6 only. Now place value of 4 means place value. 4 is in which place? Hundreds place. So we'll take 4 into 100, 400. This is the place value and this is face value. Okay. You will get questions on place value and face value also. We can write 400 as 4 hundreds also. Expanded form, number name, face value and place value. One more example I will explain. Second one, 7,304. 7,304. If they ask you to write number name, we'll write like this, number name. Okay. Tens, ones will be written at a place. Look here, how many thousands are here? 7. So 7,000. How many hundreds are here? 3. 300. What I said, tens and ones should be written at a time. So 04 means we will take 4. Okay. If 40 is there means 40. 04 is there. So 4. 7,304. Now expanded form. Expanded form. What is the place value of 7? Place value of 7 is 7 is in thousands place, 7 into 1000. So 7,000 plus what is the place value of 3? 3 is in hundreds place, 3 into 100, 300 plus what is the place value of 0? 0 is in tens place. When we multiply 0 with any number, we will get 0 plus 4 is in ones place. 4 ones are 4. 7,000 plus 300 plus 0 plus 4. This is the expanded form. Okay. These are place values of these digits in this number. For example, third question. For example, 9,843 is there. In this number, what is the place value of? Place value of, if you get question like this, place value of 8. Means what you will write? 8 is in which place? Hundreds place. Yes, ones, tens, hundreds. 8 into 100? 800 is the place value. What is the face value of 8? Face value means the number itself. So, we will get 8 only. Face value means same number. Now, if I ask question, what is the place value of 4? 4 is in which place? Tens place. 4 tens are 40 is the place value. Face value? Same number, 4. Like that. Place value, face value, number name, expanded form. I will give some questions number name, expanded form, place value and face value. You have to do that. That is homework. Okay. Look here. Now, do you know successor and predecessor? Yes. Successor means after number. Successor means after number. Predecessor means before number. For example, I am taking these numbers only. 3,456. Okay. If we add 1 to this number, we will get 3,457. This is the successor of this number. If we subtract 1 from, subtract and add. Subtract means we will get 3,455. This is a predecessor. This is successor. Okay. Now we will write for this 7,304. If we add 1 to this number, we will get successor. If we subtract 1 from this number, we will get predecessor. In exam, you will get question like this. What is the successor of 9,843? Means we have to add 1 to this number. 3 plus 1, 4, 4, 8, 9. This is the successor of this number. Okay, if you will get question like this also, what is the predecessor of 9843? Means you have to subtract 9843 minus 1. 3 minus 1 2, 4 8 9. This is predecessor and this is successor. Successor means after number we will add 1. Predecessor means subtract 1 before number. Okay, this is successor and predecessor. Now odd and even numbers. Okay, odd and even numbers. The numbers which are divisible by 2 are called even numbers. The numbers which are not divisible by 2 are called odd numbers. Okay, for example, we can say one more definition also. For even numbers we are having 0 2 4 6 8 in ones place. 0 2 4 6 8 in ones place. For odd numbers there will be 1 3 5 7 9 in ones place. Okay, look here, for example, here what is the digit in ones place? 3 is in odd numbers list or even numbers list? Yes, odd numbers list. So this is a odd number. Okay, we can find like this also. One more way is, what is the digit in ones place? 3. So divide 3 by 2. Okay, always we have to divide with 2 only. 2 in 2 table will get 3. No, before 3 which number will be there? 2. 2 ones are 2. 3 minus 2, 1. We got remainder as 1. If we get remainder as 1, this number is odd number. If we get remainder as 0, then this number will be even number. Here we got 1, so this is odd number. Let's see, is it even or odd? Okay, 4. What is the digit in ones place? 4. So now divide it with 2. Okay, 2 2s are 4. 4 minus 4, 0. Is it even or odd? Means even. We got remainder 0. So this number is even number. Okay, now look here. What is the number here in ones place? 6. 6 in 2 table we will get 6. Yes, 2 3s are 6. 6 minus 6, 0. We got remainder 0. So this 6 is also even number. 3456 also even number. Okay, this is even number and odd numbers. Now I will give some questions on number name, expanded form, place value, face value, successor and predecessor, odd and even numbers. Okay, you have to complete it. Thank you.